Let that shit go. Releasing shame and reclaiming your power. Sis, let's talk. So many of us are walking around with shame wrapped around us like an old, tattered blanket, thinking it's keeping us safe when really it's just weighing us down. Shame has you playing small, biting your tongue, and doubting your own worth. It keeps you stuck in cycles of self-judgment, afraid to step into the fullness of who you are. You're literally and figuratively constipated by the shame of your past. And guess what? It's time to release it. I almost didn't write this book because of shame. I have carried so much shame in my own life. At one point, I had such a strong grip on me that I almost didn't write my first published book, Finding Your Path to Purpose, Passion, Prosperity. And if shame had its way, I wouldn't promote it either, out of fear of what people might say, out of fear of them reading my truth and judging me for it. Shame has you bound by the perception of others when, in reality, everybody has their own shit to deal with. Shame tricks you into believing that you're the only one carrying mistakes, regrets, or wounds. It makes you afraid of the judgment of others when the only judgment that truly matters is God's. And here's the thing. He already knows you inside and out. He saw the mess and the mistakes and still called you worthy. It's time to call your power back from shame. Shame has had you in a chokehold for too long. It has stolen your voice, your confidence, and your joy. But today, you snatch it all back. Right here, right now, call your power back. From every moment you shrank yourself, from every time you swallowed your truth, from every wound that made you believe you weren't enough. No more carrying burdens that don't belong to you. No more letting shame tell you who you are. You are not broken. You are not unworthy. You are not defined by your past. You are a force, a masterpiece, a testimony in the making. Where does the shame come from? Maybe it's from mistakes you've made. Maybe it was passed down. Your mama carried it, your grandmother carried it, and now you think it's yours to hold. Maybe it's from a time when you didn't know better, when you were just surviving. Whatever the source, shame is a thief. It robs you of joy, confidence, and the freedom to be all that you are. But here's the truth. You are not your past. You are not your worst mistake. You are not what happened to you. So, how do you let that shit go? Speak it. Shame thrives in silence. Say it loud. Write it down. Tell a trusted friend or a therapist. Forgive yourself. Seriously. You've been carrying this weight for long enough. Release yourself from the guilt. Reframe the story. Instead of, I should have known better, try, I know better now, and give yourself some grace and honor your growth. Move your body. Shake it out. Dance. Cry. Literally release the energy from your body. Affirm the truth. I am worthy. I am whole. I am not bound by my past. Shame is a liar, and you, my love, are bigger than the lies. So let's make a pact. No more hiding. No more apologizing for who you were or who you are. No more carrying burdens that were never meant for you. It's time to release, reset, and rise. It's time to call your power back. If this resonates with you, grab your copy of my new book, Finding Your Path to Purpose, Passion, Prosperity. through divine alignment. On Kindle and Amazon now.